Alright, now I'm going to take you through a tutorial of making Chrome text. If we look at our screen here, we can see I have my document open. And of course my document is set by 800 by 200 by 300 dpi, which is the way I like them. Let's go ahead and click our color here. We're going to go for a gray color, not just type one in. We'll go for 59595959 all the way down until it stops. There we go, nice dark gray. We're going to go ahead and hit OK on that. And choose whichever text you want here. And let's type in our word. There we go, that looks pretty good. Hit enter to accept your text changes. Tap V to go into your pick tool. Or if you don't have yours set like I have mine set, you can go ahead and hit Command T to go into your free transform tool. There we go. Bring our text all the way up like so. What I'm going to do is I'm going to double click in this layer. Oh, hit enter first to accept our changes. Double click into my layer here, and we'll go down to stroke. And I'm going to add, let's make it 5 pixels. There we go, something like that. And what we're going to do is let's change this color. Let's change this to another gray. We'll change this to a darker gray. Let's go to 2626 all the way down. Hit OK. There we go. As you can see, we've got a light text with a dark outline, and what we're going to do is we're going to stop here, and we'll pick this up in the next part.